Welcome to all the bank officials. This is the home page of Paisa portal. The basic purpose of this portal is the affordable credit and interest subvention access. It means that the NULM beneficiaries, those who are benefited for the interest subvention, they cut their interest subvention directly in their accounts through digitization mode. This is the home page of Paisa portal. As you see, there is a user ID and password. Login. Kindly log in with user ID and password. And this is the home page of the bank user. Now, as you are aware that there are tabs are present on the home page: home, claim entry, miscellaneous, forum, and reports. In the download sections, there are various items has been given, like DSD for banks, mapped branch list, Excel for branch mapping, user manual, contact details of all users, and like other. As you are aware that MIS portal has been integrated with the Paisa portal. The data that has been made by data entry by the ULBs in the DNULM MIS now will be reflected in our Paisa portal. Now the bank has to take the action here. Click on the Paisa MIS integration. You will get there is two type of tabs. One is bank remark, one is the MIS bank. Bank remark is basically the various remarks banks can put on the accounts which are received in the Paisa portal from MIS DNULM portal. Click on the MIS bank. You get the MIS data report. Select report type. You will find that there is three cases are there. Three type of criteria. All, Paisa, pending at bank, pending at ULB. Paisa means the accounts which are approved in Paisa portal by the ULBs, verifier and approver. Pending at bank means the banks need to update the master accounts of these accounts by checking with their own CBS system. If found correct, then upload the master data for these correct records, and if not found correct, update the remarks. The records which are updated by the remark section of the bank, it will be shown as pending at ULB. ULB required to be make a rectification in the DNULM MIS portal. Select all to view the report. Click view on report. Download the reports. Download the detailed reports. Report status will be appear as. Now go to the bank remark. The bank remark, here you will found the XML file, sample XML. There are 5 types of the remarks has been given. If any account is not NULM account, limit not as per scheme, not NULM account, loan are in other categories, account is closed, incorrect or blank account number, not a loan account, either SB or C. Here you can update the select individual update, or either you can do the by putting the reference number or by choosing the bulk update. Select action, bulk update by reference number. Select the file from your PC to bulk update. Click on load. Go to the home page. Now click on claim entry. There you will find there is just like all the banks are doing the master data and the claim data. Various structures already has been given in the data structure documents given in the download section of the banks. Banks need to prepare the master data, the claim data, and choose the file and update the same. Select the file and update. Click on the home page. Now click on the reports section. The various reports that has been given in the report section: master detailed reports, claim detailed reports, master summary reports, claim summary reports, disbursement status, and unmapped branch status reports. These are the reports has been given in the report section of the bank user. Here you can select the period or date wise. You click on view report and make an export to the reports will appear like that. And now the click on MIS button in the report section. There are MIS data reports. Basically, this is the summary of as on date you can get it, or you can get it by the period wise. The master rejection reports, master pending reports, master approved report, scheme category wise report, consolidated claim report. The most important is consolidated claim report. Banks required to download this consolidated claim report and make the claims of all the pending status. Here you can see that miscellaneous reports are available for the bank user is in the one section we have given. This is the basically, here you can get the all the reports, various types are available in the PESA portal. User required, whatever the types of the required the user for the bank user, he can get it from here. Here we have given the reports name, options, purpose, downloadable format and path has been given there. All the banks are requested to kindly follow the timelines as per the ministry had decided to upload the master data, to upload the claim data. Thank you.